Igbos are indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria. Good day, my people. You all are welcome. This picture that you are seeing on your screen was sent to me by Anokwa, a person who is suffering from identity crisis. A Bini person also sent it to me. They were telling me, we told you that Ogba people are a separate people from the Igbo race. The government of Nigeria recognized them as a separate ethnic group. Ogba people are not Igbos, blah, blah, blah. They were just saying rubbish. Say the federal government of Nigeria recognize Ogba people as an ethnic group. No mean say Ogba people not be Igbo people. Ogba people are Igbo people. It's just politics. In Yoruba land today, Okpe people are saying that they are not Urobo people, that they are just Okpe. They don't want to take here Urobo. Tell them say they be Urobo, they go say na lie, say they not be Urobo. Say they be Okpe people. If they go miss federal government, say make federal government recognize them as a separate ethnic group. Federal government go do am. Isoko people and Urobo people were one before, now one they be before. Politics came in. These people started saying that they are not one people. This one they answer Urobo. This one they answer Isoko. They are being registered as separate people. They are being registered as separate ethnic groups. But they speak the same language. Both of them call the supreme being as Ogene. Both of them greet Wado Wado. They sing the same music, the same dance step. They eat the same food. They have the same culture and tradition. They have the same dressing. They have the same culture and tradition. They dress the same. Everything about these people is the same. It's just dialects. If Isoko person they speak, Urobo person they hear. If Urobo person they speak, Isoko person they hear. They are one people, but politics separated them. The federal government knows that they are one people, even when they are being registered as separate ethnic groups from each other. So say they register you as a separate entity. Not mean say you and people will not be brothers, not be brothers. Ogba is just registered as a separate ethnic group. But the federal government knows that these Ogba people are Igbo people. If Anokwa man comes out for presidency, you not go win. Even if you like make it get votes past P2B, welcome from Southeast. As they take collect P2B win, give Tinubu. Now so they will take collect that Okwane person win, give another person. Because that Okwane person is seen as an Igbo person because he's an Igbo person. The law of Delta States recognized Okwane people, Ika people, Oshimili people, and Aniocha people as Igbo people. Okwane people register as a separate ethnic group. The law of Delta States register them as Igbo people. You see, so these government people know who you be. They know where you belong. They know what you are. That's why if they show these so-called people, they don't say they not be Igbo people. They will just they look them as Mumu people. They are denying their identity because of politics. This is why politicians are busy marginalizing Nigerians because so many Nigerians don't have sense. They don't know where they belong. Urobani Soko people were supposed to unite as a people. Then they thought they not be one people, making themselves a minority in Nigeria. Ogba people will be telling you, we are not Igbo, so they are making themselves a minority in Nigeria. Ika people will be telling you that they are not Igbo people. They are making themselves a minority in Nigeria. Ikwerre people the same thing, Ogba the same thing, Ebonyi the same thing. Etche people are registered as a separate ethnic group, but they are Igbo people. So because of say federal government can register Etche as a separate people, you come and say they not be Igbo people. They remain Igbo people. It's just politics. The language of Etche people is Igbo language. Everything about them is Igbo. Yet they are being registered as a separate ethnic group. Is that enough evidence to prove that they're not Igbo people? No, that is not even an evidence because it proves nothing. Say they register you as a separate entity from the Igbo race, not mean say not true. Look at this picture here. In that picture, Igbo is in number 165. They mentioned states where Igbos are indigenous and are found. And in that state, number 1 is Abia State. Number 2 is Anambra. Number 3 is Benue. Number 4 is Delta. Number 5 is Ebonyi. Number 6 is Enugu. Number 7 is Imo. Number 8 is Rivers. Number 9 is Kogi. Number 10 is Akwa Ibom. Number 11 is Edo. Number 12 is Cross River. Number 13 is Bayelsa. 13 states. This is to tell you that Igbos are indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria. We have been saying this thing for so long that Igbos are indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria. And some of them are there saying rubbish. Delta State was mentioned. In that Delta State, who are the Igbos in Delta State? Ukwane people, Ika people, Oshimili people, and Aniocha people. They are the Igbos in Delta State. But some Ukwane people will be telling you, Ukwane is already registered as a separate ethnic group. The Igbos that are saying in Delta State is not Ukwane. Ukwane is not among. They are only talking about Ika and Enoane. Even if Ikwerre is being registered as a separate tribe from the Igbo race, River State is here. Ikwerre is among the Igbos that they are talking about. Under this Igbo, where they mention names of locations where Igbos are being found, River State is here. The Igbos in River State, Ikwerre people are among the Igbos in River State. Even if they register them separate, they still remain Igbo. You are saying that Ukwan is not Igbo, Siam for here. That was why the laws of Delta State recognized Ukwane people as Igbo people. There's nothing like Oshimili and Aniocha tribe in Delta State. What we have is Igbo tribe. Under that Igbo tribe, Ukwane, Eka, Oshimili, and Aniocha are under that Igbo tribe. All these people, they fight Igbo unity. All of them are mumu. All of them are fools. This is proof that what we have been saying since is the truth. And that is why we are unstoppable, because the federal government knows that we are saying the truth. You say Ukwan is not Igbo, Siam. Federal government register them. Say you fall under Igbo because you are an Igbo person. Delta State Igbos, now we they talk about we Ukwane people, we Ika people, we Oshimili, we Aniocha people. They are talking about us. River State Igbos, they are talking about Ikwerre, Etche, Ogba, Ndoni, and so on. Etche is being registered as a separate ethnic group. Look at it here. But it's among the Igbos in River State because they are Igbos. So the register you not mean say you not be Igbo. You remain Igbo. They know. All those people don't want to make Igbos unite. Una go cry. The federal government did not recognize Okwane people as Benin people in this place. They say Okwane. This laugh where I just laugh now. I laugh those people where send me this picture just to prove a point. This laugh now laugh where they laugh mumu. Hey, Igbo Bofu, you can't stop Igbo unification. The Igbo unification movement is bigger than your propaganda. We have been saying that Igbos are indigenous to 13 states. This record just proved it. They just proved that Okwane people are Igbos. They just proved that Ika people are Igbos. They just proved that South Igbos are Igbos. They mentioned the Igbos in Benue State. They mentioned Igbos in Bayelsa, Igbos in Kogi, Igbos in Cross River, Igbos in Rivers. And an Igbo speaking person from that place will say they are not Igbos. This is why I always say that if you like, cry. If you like, protest. If you like, commit suicide, kill yourself. Keep saying that you are not an Igbo person. The federal government of Nigeria keeps calling you Igbo. They know that you are Igbo because you are an Igbo person. You can never run away from your shadow. Igbo Bofu, and we must never allow ignorance, propaganda from the enemies, and politics to divide us. Isheware.